It was a normal day when these workers were at the gas station. Suddenly, a speeding car, appearing to be out of control, slammed directly into the fuel pump. The impact was so violent that the three people standing there had no chance to react. In this accident, one woman suffered a severe injury, particularly to her leg, while the others also sustained significant injuries. It's heartbreaking to see how a single moment of negligence and excessive speed can lead to such a devastating outcome. This video serves as a reminder of why road safety and vehicle control are critical, and why staying alert is essential. Look at the reckless mistake by the red car driver. They completely ignored the biker approaching from the front while turning. The biker tried their best to brake, but a collision was inevitable. Prioritizing others' safety is every driver's duty. Making such a mistake can be extremely dangerous, so always stay alert and drive carefully. Look at this silver car driver's recklessness. Coming from behind, they took an aggressive cut just to take a shortcut, completely ignoring the car ahead. The driver in front was driving perfectly in their lane, but this person's haste caused the crash. Making such reckless moves on the road without caring for others' safety is extremely dangerous and wrong. Traffic on the highway was slowing down, and everyone was in control. But this silver car driver failed to manage their speed. The black car ahead had stopped, yet this driver crashed right into it without any effort to brake. Road safety means maintaining a safe distance at all times. Such reckless negligence can easily cost a life, so stay alert. Look at how costly it can be to break road rules. This car driver completely ignored traffic regulations and recklessly overtook everyone. But their luck turned around quickly when the police caught them red-handed just ahead. Patience and following rules are the right way to travel. In their rush, they got themselves into serious trouble. Always respect traffic rules, because nothing is more important than safety on the road. What a complete idiot! Driving this recklessly, swerving out of the lane, and putting everyone else's life at risk. This isn't a joke. It's a dangerous act of stupidity that could easily end in a tragedy. Such disgusting behavior on the road endangers everyone's safety. Get a grip on your driving and show some common sense, or this reckless behavior will eventually land you straight behind bars. This video is a clear example of how dangerous it is to be oversmart on the road. The black car driver lost control while attempting to overtake, causing the rear of their vehicle to collide with another car. As the vehicle lost balance, it nearly slammed into the divider, leading the driver to panic and jerk the steering to the left. At that exact moment, another car zoomed past, narrowly avoiding a horrific collision by mere inches. A single driver's poor judgment and haste puts so many lives at risk today. Always remember, patience and making the right decisions are what keep you and everyone else safe on the road. Always prioritize others' safety. Look at this driver's negligence. Merging without checking created a massive hazard. Such reckless driving can easily cost lives. Stay alert, because your mistake can be devastating for everyone else. With a green light ahead, the Dashcam vehicle was driving perfectly in its lane. Suddenly, this SUV driver attempted to merge from the right without even looking. This sheer negligence could have easily triggered a severe accident. Such reckless driving and impatience on the road are completely unacceptable. Always stay alert and follow the rules. People can be so reckless. This driver is forcing their way against the flow, putting everyone at risk. Stay safe from such idiots. Goodbye.